Welcome to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Hi, this is Sauz, IT specialist and member at Web Development. Launched in 2014, AlphaBay quickly gained notoriety. It wasn't just another website, it was a revolution in the world of online black markets. The dark web had seen many marketplaces come and go, but AlphaBay was different. It was designed to be bigger, more secure, and more user-friendly than its predecessors. It became a major player in the darknet market scene. Users flocked to it for its wide array of offerings and its promise of anonymity. The platform's sophisticated encryption and user verification systems made it a favorite among those looking to buy or sell illegal goods without getting caught. It surpassed even the infamous Silk Road in scale and reach. While Silk Road had laid the groundwork, AlphaBay built an empire. It offered a more extensive range of products and services, attracting a larger and more diverse user base. At its peak, AlphaBay boasted an astonishing volume of transactions. The use of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin made it easier for users to conduct business without leaving a trace. This financial innovation was a game changer, allowing for seamless and secure transactions. It facilitated an estimated $600,000 to $800,000 in sales daily. This staggering amount of money flowed through the platform, making it one of the most lucrative operations on the dark web. The marketplace listed a staggering array of illicit goods. From drugs to weapons, the variety was mind-boggling. Users could find almost anything they were looking for, no matter how illegal or obscure. Over 300,000 illegal products were available on AlphaBay. These included drugs, ranging from marijuana to synthetic opioids, weapons including firearms and explosives, stolen data like credit card information and personal identities, and counterfeit documents such as fake passports and driver's licenses. The platform attracted a vast network of users. Over 40,000 vendors set up shop on AlphaBay, each offering their own unique set of illegal goods and services, and approximately 200,000 users frequented the site. This massive user base created a bustling digital marketplace, where illegal transactions were conducted with ease and efficiency. AlphaBay became a digital black market of unprecedented scale. Its success was short-lived. Despite its sophisticated security measures, it couldn't escape the watchful eyes of law enforcement. The authorities were closing in. International law enforcement agencies collaborated to track down the individuals behind AlphaBay. Their efforts culminated in a series of coordinated raids, leading to the eventual shutdown of the platform and the arrest of its key operators. Behind the success of AlphaBay was a brilliant but reckless mind. Alexander Kazis, a Canadian national, was the mastermind behind the operation. He operated under the alias Alpha02. Kazis possessed a strong background in computer science. This expertise proved instrumental in establishing and managing the complex infrastructure of AlphaBay. Kazis was meticulous in his approach to security. He implemented strong encryption protocols. These protocols were designed to protect the anonymity of users. He also enforced the use of aliases. This was to prevent the real identities of buyers and sellers from being exposed. However, Kazis' downfall would stem from a series of seemingly minor mistakes. These mistakes exposed vulnerabilities in his carefully constructed facade. Despite his efforts to remain anonymous, Kazis made several operational security errors. These errors would ultimately prove to be his undoing. One critical mistake involved his use of his personal Hotmail address. He used it for system-generated emails related to AlphaBay. This provided a direct link between his real identity and his online persona. Another blunder involved the reuse of his Alpha02 pseudonym. He used it on other online platforms. This linked his illicit activities on AlphaBay to his other online accounts. These seemingly insignificant oversights created a trail for law enforcement to follow. It was only a matter of time before they caught up with him. Section 5, Operation Bayonet. The walls close in. In 2017, an international law enforcement operation was launched. It was dubbed Operation Bayonet. Its target was AlphaBay. The operation involved agencies from multiple countries: the United States, Thailand, the Netherlands, Lithuania, Canada, the United Kingdom, France, and Europol all participated. This joint effort demonstrated the global reach and seriousness of cybercrime. Operation Bayonet culminated in July 2017. Law enforcement agencies simultaneously raided multiple locations. They seized AlphaBay's infrastructure and assets. Alexander Kazis was arrested in Thailand. The operation dealt a significant blow to the dark web drug trade. Section 6. The aftermath. A shifting landscape. The takedown of AlphaBay sent shockwaves through the dark web. The immediate impact was a disruption in the flow of illegal drugs and other illicit goods. Many users and vendors were left scrambling for alternative platforms. The seizure of AlphaBay's servers and databases provided law enforcement with a treasure trove of information. This information was used to identify and apprehend other individuals involved in the darknet market trade. The takedown also served as a stark warning to other darknet market operators. It highlighted the increasing capabilities of law enforcement agencies in tackling cybercrime. Section 7. The Hydra's heads, new threats emerge. However, the dark web is a resilient entity. The void left by AlphaBay was quickly filled by new marketplaces. These new platforms emerged, hoping to capitalize on the displaced users and vendors. The cycle of disruption and adaptation continues. This highlights the challenges faced by law enforcement in their ongoing battle against cybercrime. As one platform is shut down, another one emerges to take its place. This constant evolution of the dark web landscape requires law enforcement agencies to adapt their tactics and strategies continually. Section 8. The never-ending battle. The fight against darknet markets is a complex and ever-evolving challenge. The anonymity provided by the Tor network and other encryption methods makes it difficult to track down the individuals behind these illegal operations. Law enforcement agencies face significant hurdles in their efforts to combat cybercrime. However, the takedown of AlphaBay demonstrates that success is possible. International cooperation, advanced investigative techniques, and a commitment to pursuing cybercriminals can lead to significant victories. The fight against darknet markets is a marathon, not a sprint. Section 9. Conclusion. A cautionary tale. The story of AlphaBay and Alexandra Cases serves as both a cautionary tale and a testament to the perseverance of law enforcement. AlphaBay, once the largest online black market, was a hub for illegal activities, ranging from drug trafficking to cybercrime. It was a place where anonymity was king, and illicit transactions were conducted with impunity. But behind this digital fortress was a man whose ambition and technical prowess knew no bounds. Alexandra Cases, a young and talented programmer, saw an opportunity to exploit the anonymity of the dark web. His technical brilliance and ambition led him to create a criminal enterprise of unprecedented scale. AlphaBay quickly grew, attracting thousands of users and generating millions of dollars in revenue. Cases lived a life of luxury, flaunting his wealth with expensive cars and lavish properties. However, his downfall was ultimately a result of his own carelessness. Despite his technical expertise, Cases made critical mistakes that left a trail for law enforcement to follow. He reused passwords, left identifying information in his code, and even used his personal email address for AlphaBay-related activities. These errors provided the clues that investigators needed to unravel the mystery of AlphaBay's mastermind. His failure to maintain operational security provided the cracks that law enforcement exploited. Digital forensic experts meticulously pieced together the evidence, tracing transactions and communications back to Cases. The investigation was a testament to the dedication and skill of the law enforcement agencies involved. They worked tirelessly, often in the shadows, to bring down one of the most notorious figures in the dark web's history. The takedown of AlphaBay serves as a reminder that even in the shadowy world of the dark web, the long arm of the law has a reach. The coordinated efforts of international law enforcement agencies culminated in a dramatic raid, leading to Cases' arrest. The operation was a significant victory in the ongoing battle against cybercrime and dark web marketplaces. The battle against darknet markets is far from over. While AlphaBay's demise was a significant blow to the dark web community, new marketplaces continue to emerge, each more sophisticated than the last. Law enforcement agencies must constantly adapt and evolve their strategies to keep pace with the ever-changing landscape of cybercrime. As technology evolves, so too will the methods used by those who seek to exploit it for illegal purposes. The story of AlphaBay is a stark reminder of the ongoing struggle between those who uphold the law and those who seek to undermine it. It is a cautionary tale that underscores the importance of vigilance, innovation, and collaboration in the fight against cybercrime.